Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop stylings heated units display. And let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 26.5 inches wide, about 19 inches deep, and the overall height is about like a 27.5 inches tall. As we can see, the front of the unit, they have LED lights on top of the banners, have two sliding windows at the front. You can access it for both ways, and also have a temperature display at the bottom right here. And when we turn around the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers on the side, and also have a diagram and information about the units. When we turn around to the back of the unit, we can see on the top of the unit, they have a big space for you to put extra shelving, like cookies, anything you want to put on top of it. They do also have the back sliding doors at the behinds, having 3 layers of the shelvings. And at the bottoms, we have a control knobs, indicators, and the power switch. And also, we do having the standard 110 plugs, US standard. And let me give the measurements for the inner side. The first layers is about like a 12 inches deep. Middle layers about 13 inches deep. And the bottom layers is almost about like a 14 inches deep. And the inner side of wide is about like a 25 inches wide. Overall height is almost like a 16 inches tall. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.